Welcome back to the channel, guys, and as you know, at least if you checked out the last video, today we are at Loen Vatnet, a beautiful glacier lake in the middle of a strikingly beautiful valley. We're gonna check out this area for a little while before we head over to a haunted house. Or house is not the right word because this building is huge. And very haunted. And we're gonna see if we can get there, which would be extremely cool and scary. And we just had to stop right here because there's this crazy framing by the end of the valley, and I'm gonna put Lisa in the middle of that and take some photos of her and compress that background with a 7200 and get some amazing portraits. And here are those. There's rain coming in again through the valley here. We found these. We didn't find them. They were here already, but there's these cool old houses down here. And I'm gonna try and take some photos and capture the valley behind those houses. So I'm gonna go a bit further up so that I can put on a zoom lens and get that compression back in, because framing here, I don't like it. I don't get anything of the water. So I think tighter focal length and more compression and a bit higher up will do wonders for this photo. Now we're getting here. Now we'll get some of the cows as well. So this is gonna be good. I think that's enough photos and drone flying for Loen Vatnet. So I think it's time to head over to that scary, scary place. The haunted building, house, sanatorium. If that gives you a hint to where we're going today, and you know how scary it might look. And I hope the road is not closed, because we have been looking forward to going to this place for such a long time. It's gonna be amazing, epic. It's gonna be epic and cinematic and all that. Let's go. You ready to explore a haunted house?
Mm.
You really ready to explore a haunted house?
Oh, yes. Yes, indeed.
Let's go. Welcome to Harland Sanatorium, an old, huge building supposed to be haunted. I don't feel it. I get the chills though, but I don't feel the hauntiness of it. In fact, it's becoming a hotel. I don't know when, but if you want to stay in an old haunted house as a hotel, then this is the place for you. We are now embarking on the last bit of our road trip down the most beautiful road in Norway that goes straight past where I grew up. So that's probably why it's the most beautiful place in Norway, or road in Norway. I don't know. But it's actually a very pretty road. And I'm looking forward to the rest of this road trip and bringing you guys along with me. So after last night we found out that the smartest thing to do was to travel to this small town which has three, not one, not two, but three churches, all situated in the same area, and from one of them you can spot all three at the same time. We have decided to visit two of them which are almost 1,000 years old. We went inside the first one, but on the second one there's some rigging and practice going on, so we decided not to step inside as that will kind of break the magic of exploring an old church. So now we're continuing to drive along Norway's most beautiful road, in my opinion, Riksvei 13. Let's get going. Basically by the end of the road right now. This last ferry takes me to Hjelmeland, and from there it's a 15-minute drive back home. So I think that's it for this video. It's almost like it leaves me with a melancholy saying goodbye after all these hundreds of kilometers. I think we crossed into 51 hours of driving. So many memories, so many great and beautiful places visited, so many hyperlapses, time lapses, beautiful shots from all over Norway. I hope you have seen all the episodes from the whole trip and that you enjoyed every minute of it. Thanks for joining me on this beautiful trip. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.